Hang on. Where's my burnout wheel?
Why is it green? Fucking moss growing in me car.
Sausalito, turkey, honey, ham, and...
The fucking god, there are spiders living everywhere inside of this. Yeah, get him. Oh! Oh, old mate, no!
You're gonna die. Gonna die, Jibby da.
He's white!
No,
don't go in there! No. See, what the fuck? What the fuck? On what earth do spiders live in rear bumpers?
Earth. There's like little babies.
What?
There's like little baby ones here. Ah, big
Where?
infestation.
Oh my god. There's one dead cunt in there. What?
I really want to get the pressure washer and pressure wash like the interior. Don't even care anymore. Just. I don't even want to sit in it.
Either. Fucking remove the seats, big wolf spider comes out my ass.
Hell no.
You're fucking my ass.
Hang on, where'd that even come from?
They're just materialising on the VS. The VR.
Wait, there must be a monster spawner somewhere here.
This cunt is still running around.
He's actually a soldier.
And then this one up here.
Yeah, give this one a spray. He's running away. Hang on, mate.
Oh, old mate's just passed out. Oh, never mind. O'clock now. New clothes. Showered.
I didn't shower.
Oh, you didn't shower? Cleaning out the interior and the green. I don't know why it's green, but yeah, it is. It's like algae or something. Yeah, but since like 100 million spiders are in here, I'm a bit scared to stick my hands down in like some crevice where I can't see anything. Like,
You can do with that.
Big guys. They bust on my eyes. They eat my ass just like apple pie.
what is this?
Interior is so like mint.
Is this electric? What is this?
Oh, there's another spider here. Pause. I'm actually just gonna be
Where?
desensitized.
Where is
to
it?
spiders. I'm gonna like hug them and kiss them by the time I'm done with this cat.
Oh,
That's the cutest fucking thing I've
hello,
ever
old
seen in my
mate.
life.
No! Guillotine, mate.
Don't give a shit.
Yeah, no, but like, what is that knob thing there?
Seat adjustment.
It pulls out.
What kind of adjustment is that?
Peter parked.
Peter Park.
Get it? Because
Peter Wagon.
it's not moving.
Just a fuel pump and then we're good.
Oh yeah, true. True.
Hopefully. Get this shit out of here.
The mouse. No!
You ready?
Send it. That's pretty awful. Oh. Hey, old mate. Oh, shit.
Alright, now for the final hubcap. Armin's doing the honours because it's his fucking car. I hate how it pops off.
Oh, that's a pretty fucking bad one.
I hate this. This is shit.
Gotta get rid of this stupid tint. Oh yeah, new tail lights are on the bucket list.
Well,
too.
how do you open the boot again?
Well, see this button? Oh, what the fuck? Oh, gas struts don't work.
Fuck, he did it.
Oh my god!
Oh, thank God. There's like not a spider colony in there.
Pepperone, provolone. Pastrami, pastrami.